Sorry about that. I've just woken up. It is 3:20 p.m. today, and we're going to Chicago to stay at my homie's apartment, and we're gonna play a lot of video games.
Is it actually that bad?
Trying to go to Walgreens right now, and I don't know if we have to have a mask on because it's Corona. We look like bank robbers, dude. Yo, look at the setup though. The setup is real. Damn.
Why do you have yours above your head?
What?
Just do it like this.
I think this looks, because then it's not gonna stay. How is yours staying?
It's fine.
I think I just have a small head. You know what ain't small though?
This bank account.
Let's do this. Oh.
Or find the bottom part of that.
The right side.
Yeah. Yeah.
Placement complete.
I'm not gonna attack you with a one though. Like, you know, I feel you. I'm just fortifying my borders for when, you know, somebody's dominating the game. And
So much backstabbing and heartbreak.
then fortify the rest.
Lives have been lost. The USA is in shambles. Life as we know it has become chaotic.
Oh my god.
Stop. Good morning, squadron.
Duncan boys, who wants to head to Duncan?
Yeah, let's go to Duncan.
I think, yeah.
Hey,
Ronnie broke his PS4.
Again?
No, or like it was broken for a while, and like I guess.
Man, what is the best technique that you could give anyone to grow a full beard like ours?
It's storage, 1 terabyte.
Yeah, why would you need storage?
Vegetables?
It helps you grow hair faster, so.
What did you say? You can't even say guitar ain't fine as hell, bro.
Bruh, chill.
You can't tell me guitar can't get it.
Chill the fuck out.
Guitar got that thing.
She's like 11.
No.
Guys, butter bricks.
What's the weirdest thing you ever done?
Give that to me. Now you get to watch me wash my hand.
I don't wanna leave.
Babe, what you doing in here?
I don't think you're supposed to be smoking that much.
Maybe it needs a little more ventilation, actually. See what it's supposed to look like. Dang, that actually looks really good. This is what my enchiladas hopefully would have looked like. This is where we're at right now. We're halfway done. We're halfway done. The process isn't over yet. Oh.
Garbage?
No, let's just do it.
That looks like garbage.
That's not bad.
We can focus on that all the way left.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Oh, dude, that looks. Oh, Lord.
How does it look?
Oh my god. Take it. Oh.
That looks horrible.
It's not that bad.
Shut up.
It kind of smacks.
No.
Get in there. Does it look weird?
Oh, I
Yeah.
have to stir and recover after. And then cook an additional 2.5.
Bone apple to teet.
It's almost 4 a.m. and we've been in the middle of a wrist game.
Oh, fuck. Stop.
Look at the flash.